So these next series of discussions, we're going to venture into stuff like ambiguity, paradoxes, which is paradoxes are ambiguous. But it depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb, pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory. Ambiguity deals with indecisiveness. We see that in abstract visual art, where the art may have ambiguity.